Welcome to Trisha and Kavyas diary. Today we are going to make a Christmas card using pencil waste. First, take a paper and fold it in half. With the help of a pencil and scale, you may draw a triangle figure. You can sharpen color pencils for getting different shades of pencil waste, and if you want you can also only sharpen the color pencils of green shades to have different shades of green. You may now attach the colored pencil's waste with the help of glue. Now, continue this process until you reach the top of the Christmas tree. Now, while we are performing this process, let's talk about the importance of a Christmas tree. First, let's talk about the historical and symbolic significance of a Christmas tree. This tradition has deep roots in pre-Christian winter festivals. Ancient cultures in Europe, like the Celts, Vikings, and Romans, saw evergreen plants like holly, ivy, and pine as magical. In the dead of winter, when all other plants died or lost the leaves, evergreens stayed green and alive. They were powerful symbols of resilience, eternal life, and the promise that the sun and spring would return. Now I have used glitter paper to use as the pot of the Christmas tree. Here I am using beads for decoration. You can use any other objects or even paste a star instead of a bead on the top of the tree if you have one. I am also using little bells as decoration. Now let's go again to the topic of the Christmas tree. When Christianity spread into these regions, it often incorporated existing traditions to make new faith more familiar. The evergreen tree was given a Christian meaning. It became a symbol of the tree of life in the Garden of Eden and more importantly, a symbol of Jesus Christ, the eternal life he offers to believers. The triangular shape was also said to represent the Holy Trinity. The tradition of putting candles and now electric lights on the tree directly counters the long dark nights of winter. Each tiny little light represents hope, joy, and the light of the world. For many people today, regardless of religious belief, the lit tree is a comforting and cheerful sight that fights off the winter blues. And my favorite, creating memories. The process of getting the tree, whether chopping one down at a farm or picking one from a lot, or assembling an artificial one, is a family event. Decorating the tree is a cherished ritual. Unwrapping ornaments each year is like a revisiting a timeline of your life. The handmade ornament from the kindergarten, the souvenir from a vacation, the baby's first Christmas bauble. This act strengthens family bonds and creates a sense of shared history. On Christmas morning, the tree is the focal point where family gathers to exchange gifts and share joy. It's the backdrop for countless photos and memories. I am writing Merry Christmas under the Christmas tree, and I am decorating the border with pipe beads. In a fast-changing world, the tradition of putting up the tree each year is a comforting constant. The familiar sights and smells trigger powerful feelings of nostalgia, connecting us to our own childhoods and loved ones who may no longer be with us. The tree acts as a physical declaration that it's a special time of a year, a time for generosity, kindness, and celebration. It helps build anticipation and excitement, especially for children. While its origins are Christian, the Christmas tree has, in many parts of the world, transcended its purely religious roots. For many secular families, the tree is a cultural and seasonal symbol of winter festivity. It represents themes of peace, light, and a family that are universal. Each family can impart its own meaning onto the tree. For some, it's about faith. For others, it's about family tradition. For others, it's simply about the beauty and magic of the season. In summary, a Christmas tree is important because it is much more than a decorative plant. It is a rich, multi-layered symbol of light in the face of death, light in the darkness, and enduring family connection. It provides comfort, joy, and a tangible link to our past, making it the heart of the holiday season for millions of people around the world. If you liked my video, then please like, share, and subscribe.